let's do the same technique we did Monday. Okay, we start control the slips here. I open the knee, start open him. So my goal is start open his arm. So today you go the same thing. Okay, put the foot in the biceps here, exactly the joint. You try the midway, so you can use your ankle, your toes to control. Okay, and here go the same thing. So this is important thing. You know, it's not a good idea stretch both legs and not do like both legs put that way. Okay, basically like normally go like one and one is more difficult for him. Escape. Okay, the technique we did before, like when you move here, is like the omoplata. We did it, or when you do here up, and you do the triangle. So basically, it's like when you go up, I go to the triangle. When I go down, it's more omoplata. Okay. So you go like that, same idea here again. Okay. Now you start to do some sweep. So basically, I choose the side, and then I go sweep for that side. I already move my hips to the side. Okay. When I change this, now I go like in that leg. I pull that arm, stretch that leg. This is important. The leg needs to be stretched. And now I just move all to that side. Even if I have to put my elbow here, you can do this. Okay. If you not go just direct, look to that side, and I stretch my butt. And after I go to the bottom. We go here, we control, we put the spider, I choose the side, and from here I go. I can start like this, have the control, close my elbow here. When I change, I already go here. Go down, stretch, at the same time I stretch and turn all my body and look for that side. And go there. One time. Go here, look that. You can go already direct. See, I can go here, or if I go here, start, I have just one, I can be here. One the hips to control and put one spider. And I can go already to direct. Okay? You can practice, move the leg and not go to direct. And you can see like it's easy to do the triangle too. You know, sometimes like for some reason you go here and you feel lock. You can anytime change to here again and you already have the triangle. So try combine the sweep and the triangle and go for the both sides. Okay? So change your partner.